Are you wondering how to put a header on only one page in Google Docs? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So as you can see here, I've just created a brand new Google Docs file, and I've put this into the center just to give us an idea of what this video is all about. And as you can see, I've entered a header already. And to do that, all you need to do, and this is when you add any header, is you go Insert, and then you scroll down to headers and footers. And if you press the header button, then it will take you to this first content area here. So the first thing you need to do is put your header in. And as you can see, I put header goes here. And if I do that, you'll notice that every subsequent page has header goes here. So you only want it on one page. So there's a couple of different things that you can do. The first thing is that you can use the different first page option. Now, what this essentially enables us to do is basically have something very, very different to every subsequent header. And if we only wanted it on the first page as an example, then we could simply remove this. So as you can see here, now it only appears on the first page, and subsequent pages it isn't even in place. Or, as I just mentioned or alluded to, we could have a second header in this area here, and you'll notice that it's different from the first. So that is the different first page. The only thing to bear in mind with this option is that the subsequent header will kind of be on every page thereafter. There's one other little thing you can do, and that is you can click on options. So you can do that on any of these headers. Click header format, and you can click different, odd, and even. And what that essentially enables us to do is have a different header for the first page, if we've got this selected, or we could remove this if we wanted to. A even page header, so even page header. And let's put that in a little bit to change the formatting. I'm going to Control C to copy that. And then what we could have here is a odd page header. So ultimately, those are the options in Google Docs at the present moment in time. So we can have a header only on the first page. We can have a header that has an even or odd difference, or we could also have just, one leading header for the document and then one other consistent header for the duration after. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, please hit the like button. Any questions, comments, drop them down below, and do consider to subscribe to the channel if you are keen to use Google Docs and master it as well. So with all that said, I hope this video is useful and hope you have an excellent day.